बातों में शहद जैसी मिठास, उसकी सांसों में इत्र की महकास, होंठ जैसे के भीगे भीगे गुलाब, गाल जैसे के दहके अनार मेरे घर आई। ओ मेरे घर आई एक नन्ही परी, एक नन्ही परी। उसके आने से मेरे आंगन में खिल उठे फूल, गुनगुनाई बहार। देख कर उसको जी नहीं भरता, चाहे देखूं उसे हजारों बार, चाहे देखूं उसे हजारों बार। मेरे घर आई, ओ मेरे घर आई एक नन्ही परी, एक नन्ही परी। मैंने पूछा उसे कि कौन है तू, हंस के बोली कि मैं हूँ तेरा प्यार। मैं तेरे दिल में थी हमेशा से, घर में आई हूँ आज पहली बार। मेरे घर आई।
Neha is very sincere. She is hard worker and honest. She is very caring. I am proud of her. I wish her success in life. Many returns of the day and lot of wishes to you on your birthday, Neha. God bless.
कल की सी बात लगती है जब भगवान ने मुझे नन्ही सी परी के रूप में एक बच्ची नेहा दी। अब पता नहीं वक्त कैसे पंख लगा के उड़ गया कि कब ये बड़ी हो गई, मुझे तो पता ही नहीं लगा। मुझे आज भी वो बच्चा ही लगती है। नेहा, मेरी तरफ से मैं चाहती हूँ तुम्हें मैनी मैनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे, हैप्पी बर्थडे। और भगवान तुझे संसार की सारी खुशियाँ दी, सदा खुश रहो बेटा। वंस अगेन हैप्पी बर्थडे।
फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है, एक हजारों में मेरी बहना है। सारी उम्र हमें संग रहना है। फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है, एक हजारों में मेरी बहना है। सारी उम्र हमें संग रहना है। फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है।
बचपन से नेहा मुझे मारती आई है, आज भी मारती है, कल भी मारेगी। बट नेहा, आई लव यू द मोस्ट एंड आई मिस यू मोस्ट, यू नो दैट। आई एम ब्लेस्ड टू हैव अ सिस्टर लाइक यू एंड अ फ्रेंड. Neha is a kind of person जिसको you cannot help but like. Happy birthday, Neha. Bye.
यारो दोस्ती बड़ी ही हसीन है, ये ना हो तो क्या फिर बोलो ये जिंदगी है। कोई तो हो राज़दार, बेगरज तेरा हो यार, कोई तो हो राज़दार। ये ना हो तो क्या फिर, बोलो ये जिंदगी है। कोई तो दिलबर हो यार, जिसको तुझसे हो प्यार, कोई तो दिलबर हो यार।
I call you, I need you, my heart's on fire. You come to me wild and wild. You come to me, give me everything I need. Give me a lifetime of promises and a world of dreams. Speak the language of love like you know what it means. And it can't be wrong. Take my heart and make it strong. You're simply the best. Better than all the rest. Better than anyone I ever met. I'm stuck on your heart. I hang on every word you say. Tear us apart. Baby, I would rather be dead. In your heart, since the start of every night and every day. In your eyes, I get lost, I get washed away. Just as long as I'm here in your arms, I could be in no better place. You're simply the best. Better than all the rest. Better than anyone I ever met. Ooh, I'm stuck on your heart. I hang on every word you say. Oh, tear us apart. No, no, no. Baby, I would rather be dead.
Hi, sweetheart. Wish you a very happy birthday. I'm amazed by the number of people who've actually responded to my mail and sent their videos, and it just goes to show what kind of a person you are and how many people love you. I think you're really lucky to have friends like these. Love you a lot, and I would like to dedicate a song to you. So this one goes out to you.
Hey babes, happy birthday. Wish you many, many, many happy returns of the day. May God bless you with all the happiness. I mean it by all perspectives, the way you think big time. And what should I address you as? Intruder? Yeah, Jungly. IGIT was fun, man. And you know it, big time. Night out, fight, ultimate. And Atul is making me do this, so I really don't know what all to say. Okay, but anyways, stay happy. Keep smiling and rocking. I have more text, I'll mail it to you. Bye bye. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Music. इतनी शर्म आ रही है नेहा से. But anyways, I am standing in the washroom at work and I am singing this song to you. I really, really hope you have a wonderful 28th birthday. Oh my, no, sorry, 27th birthday. And I'm reaching on 27th very soon too. But anyways, I will see you on the 30th of October this year, and we will celebrate then for sure, for sure. And I just came back from Virginia, and I love the States. I shouldn't be talking about North America. And मुझे बहुत झाड़ पड़ी है तेरे पति देव से आज, and I'm really sorry ये बिल्कुल unprepared wishing hai, but I still want to wish you a really happy birthday, and I hope you have a blast today. Take care.
Hi Neha, happy birthday. Atul, I'm sure she's really happy with the surprise, and I'm really looking forward to look at the video. Neha, we miss you here. जब भी तुम होती हो, it's always there is a lot of energy around here, and we really miss you here. The first time I talked to you, I was really surprised how much someone can talk and how fast someone can talk. And then the story began. We had great time, lot of fun. And one thing I always remember about you is anytime you were annoyed, angry, or anything, the easiest thing to do is spend a good shopping time with you, and you would be back to your normal. Well, hope you're having a great time, and I'll talk to you soon. And Atul, your future's not gonna be like Ross, I promise you. Have fun, guys. See you. Talk to you later. Bye.
Happy birthday.
Hi, wish you a very happy birthday, Neha. God bless you and have a wonderful time ahead. We are about to start the party. No, actually, we have just started the party, so let's start enjoying and dancing. Tonight's gonna be a great night. Bye.
Hey Neha, we want to wish you a very happy and wonderful birthday. देख तेरे लिए हमने balloons भी लगाए हैं. So I hope you are having a wonderful time, and you have a really great boyfriend, fiance and future husband जिसने इतना अच्छा surprise organize किया.
Yeah, I hope you really enjoy his this gift, right? And जल्दी ये ले अतुल को लेके, alright? Malibu घूमते हैं फिर से, alright, good.
Bye.
Bye.
Take care.
Take care, alright?
Love you.
Have fun. Bye.
Hi Neha, wish you many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
This was Anshu. Take care and have a wonderful year ahead. Bye.
Bye.
Hello Princess Neha, wish you a very happy birthday. Hope you have a great year ahead, and I'm sure you will. आई होप तुम बहुत ही मज़े कर रही हो और तुम्हें बहुत सारे गिफ्ट्स मिले हैं और तुमने बहुत ही बड़ा सा केक काटा है, और जो कि मुझे नहीं मिलेगा खाने के लिए. और भगवान करे तुम्हारे 2 बच्चे हो जाएं इसी साल में, और ट्विंस. एंड बस दैट्स इट फ्रॉम माय साइड. एंड एज यू कैन सी, मैंने बहुत ही ऑसम प्लेस ढूंढी है टू रिकॉर्ड दिस मैसेज. ये देखो, तुम्हारा फेवरेट गूगल का घटिया सा कॉन्फ्रेंस रूम, और इट्स बस आई एम बिटवीन मीटिंग्स, लेकिन श्वेता और अतुल ने मेरा खून पी रखा है. सो ओके, आई विल बी इन इंडिया इन दिसंबर एंड आई विल सी यू सून. बाय बाय.
Okay, don't get scared, but I know you're really scared of this and you thought that this was going to attack you one day in the night when you were asleep, but well, you're still surviving. So hi everyone, I'm Gitali. I'm Neha's best friend and roommate from Singapore, and we spent the last 1 year together at NUS. Well, we studied together, we cooked together, all those nights in the lounge. More than studying, we were actually playing foosball. So for all those who don't know, Neha is actually a foosball champion, and most of the people would get beaten by Neha, including the boys. Well, Neha, I wish you a very happy birthday. I hope you have a great day and a great year ahead. You have lots of things in store for you this year, Miss Dougal. I hope to see you soon at your wedding. I do miss you a lot. I wish you did not go back in 1 year, but well, that's how it's supposed to be. And I wish you have a great year and a great day ahead. See you. So we are at RPM now, and if you remember this pool, this is where we did all our pool dunking. Whenever it was anybody's birthday, we would throw the birthday boy or birthday girl in the pool. And there was this one instance when all of us were in the pool, and it's a really funny instance how Neha got into the pool, because it was actually a friend of ours called Ritu Raj who suddenly came running. he just picked up Neha and just threw her in the pool. So it was the most hilarious sight, and I think Neha was so shocked when he did that I don't think she'll ever forget that instance. So just wanted to recollect these memories as well.
Start. Hello Neha, happy birthday to you. I hope you're enjoying your day. यार ये जगह जो हम लोग अक्सर आया करते थे, रंगोली डिश, हम 3 लोग थे यहाँ पे, मैं, गीताली और नेहा, और मोस्टली रवि भाई को यहाँ पे ऐसा लगता था कि मेरे 2 चक्कर चल रहे हैं, एक गीताली के साथ और एक नेहा के साथ. तो वी हैड अ लॉट ऑफ फन ओवर हियर एंड अक्सर यहीं पे हमारा बसेरा हुआ करता था.
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to Neha, happy birthday to you, many boyfriends to you. नहीं, शायद नहीं गा सकता इस साल. इनफैक्ट तेरे लिए तो गा ही नहीं सकता, बहुत पिटूंगा. To wish you many many happy returns of the day. Big year for you ahead. Wish you loads of luck, happiness, and I hope Google doesn't go down. On a serious note, it was nice knowing you over the last 1 year, a little more than that. I still remember the first time that I met you. Felt you that you were a little talkative. Well, you are. You're not talkative, you're loud. I know तेरी birthday, लेकिन हाँ तेरी टांग खींच सकता हूँ. But the first time that we really gelled together was Ruby Room, and I guess we had the floor on fire that day. It wasn't the dance steps, it was merely our expressions. Really enjoyed it a lot. I remember going forward, we studied for a few exams together, but the really big thing was the International Day. We had Pole Chulia planned, everyone knew about it. But then the way we planned the second one, Kadurare, and we actually did it within a span of like 1 hour, and it came out really well. I still remember the audience reactions. We were hit. You know, we both are good dancers. Well, next thing was the Bali trip. I still remember got to travel with a Bai on a plane for the first time, and you won't deny that. I remember you getting scared of Gecko, and then later missing it. Gecko, right? It was maybe bad with names. I remember subsequently the celebration that we had for my birthday. Everyone was dunked in the pool, but the way you were dunked, it was really hilarious, and I would never forget the great Chinese that you and Gitali made for me. It was a very pleasant surprise. Enjoyed the company overall last year. Look forward to being in touch. कभी कभी बोर हो जाता हूँ तुझसे, लेकिन ठीक है यार. मैं अतुल का I'm thinking about him, what would happen to him. बेचारा बर्बाद हो गया. Well, look forward to attend your marriage. Try to make it. बस एक डाउट है किसकी तरफ से, अतुल की तरफ से या तेरी तरफ से. I guess of course तेरी तरफ से. So I would be there mostly. Let's see how it works out, and wish you the very best going forward. Keep in touch. Bye.